So here we're adding and subtracting millions. And for our first question, we have 55,550 plus 3 million. You can see that with our first number we have 5 digits. We have digits up to the 10,000s. And that's why our answer is 3,055,550. It's important to understand that we don't have any 100,000s in our first number, and we don't have any 100,000s in our second number, so we need a 0 in the 100,000s of our answer. So what is 850,000 plus 2 million? We can see what we're adding, so our answer is 2,850,000, and you can see how we've added that mentally. Now on to subtraction. We have 6,931,000 minus 6 million. So we're taking away the millions digit. So we have 931,000 because we subtracted all of the millions. So what is 6,055,000 minus 5 million? We're subtracting 5 of our 6 millions, so our answer is 1,055,000. So now we have a 1 in our millions place value column, and all the other digits stay the same.